User levels on the oven. In order to safeguard the settings on the oven from unauthorized modifications, the individual user levels can be secured by utilizing a user-defined numerical code. For example, the easy user can no longer change baking programs. In contrast, the admin and profi user can make very diverse settings. I would be happy to show you how this works on the display. To use the individual user levels, you need to press the figure in the top right corner. Now you can see the individual users, easy, profi, and admin. At the moment, all users are currently still freely selectable, not locked with a code or any restrictions in place. To lock users with a code, log in as admin, navigate to user button settings on admin panel, and apply desired code to enforce lock for users. Here, for instance, you have the ability to assign a fresh password for the profi by pressing the pen tool. We choose the password 1204 and 30th, confirm by selecting the check mark, confirm once more by selecting the check mark again, and go back to the screen of the city. When we presently utilize the user selection profile, the oven prompts for a password 1204 and 30. The checkmark symbol indicates that we have successfully logged in as a profi user.